Hey, I'm back in my room. Huh? No, no. Well, I. I'm going to do a tune called "A Nightingale Sang in Berkeley Square." I was rudely interrupted by my wife, who said I signed up underneath her name. Hey, quiet. The moon that lingered over London town, poor puzzled moon, he wore a frown. How could we know we two were so in love? The whole dang world seemed upside down. The streets of town were paved with stars. It was such a romantic affair, and as we kissed and said goodnight, a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. That certain night, the night we met, there was magic abroad in the air. There were angels dining at the Ritz, and a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. course, my new issue with my computer now is that I cannot find my DVD drive. Isn't that something?